Hi, Rob Rowland, General Manager of TRUFIG. What I want to do is give you a walkthrough of the TRUFIG booth here at CEDIA 2010. And then here on the outside of the booth, what we're trying to show is all the products we have available today in our catalog and are shipping to our dealers. And really the whole idea behind TRUFIG is to have an architectural and design solution for architects and designers for everything in a house or in any commercial property that's on the wall and in the ceiling. And I'll show you a little bit more of that when we go inside. But to take a look up here on the booth, we have everything that's shipping available today, from switches to data jacks and power outlets to whole house keypad for lighting control and automation and touch panels, as well as audio speakers. And we'll show you some of the new stuff when we go inside the booth. On this part of the wall, what we're doing is we're talking through all the installation processes that occur in using TRUFIG. So we're showing all the different materials, everything from solid surfaces like wood or stone down to a standard drywall installation, which we have here, or a plaster installation over here. So let me just give you a quick overview of how it goes. We have a mounting platform that inside of that has an electrical box or really any enclosure attached to it. Our installers will mount this platform and then coordinate with all the other trades, the electrician to get it wired, the carpenter who has templates to cut out the opening, so we can walk through the process of how you secure that box to the back, and also working with the stone and tile and granite people to have a similar type opening where we would ship them an AutoCAD file that use a water jet to cut that out, adhere the box to the back, and then would flush out the front of the plate with our devices. On the drywall, it works a little bit differently where they mount the platform. The plaster or drywall contractor would tape the seams, apply the plaster, or the drywall in this case, build it up all the way up over the top, and then on a smooth wall, level 5 finish, would sand down the surface to reveal this sanding shield, and then when they pull that out, they'll have a precise opening to then trim out the device. Plaster is similar, and then they'll put a base coat on here, a sealing coat to get it ready for plaster, and then however thick the plaster is, they'll build it up to this mud dam right here and do up to about 1/4 inch of plaster. On this back wall over here, we're talking through different finishes, colors, and styles, and really approaching the architect and design community with different colors and variations. So it shows everything in wood, in wallpaper, in stone, or in a plaster finish. We have different levels of a standard white or any color that we have off the shelf to a color match that would look good within that background, pro-painted finishes to match the material, and then up to a blank here that can really make this be as nearly invisible as possible. Showing some of our new products over here on this side, where we have several different displays and touch panels, companies like Crestron and AMX, and then also a solution here for the iPad, which is becoming very, very popular in whole home control, automation, or just really an information center that can be put in many homes. And the last thing we have over here is a new category that we're showing this year in CEDIA, which is the HVAC category. And what we have is several supplies here with grills on them. We'll have them about 4 or 5 different sizes to be able to do a whole house. We'll have 4 or 5 different design aesthetics on the front of these grills. And then we'll be able to do really any custom pattern, shape, size, or grill that anybody would want. Down here we're showing linear diffusers. These are typically seen as a slotted diffuser. Perhaps you see them in commercial installations. We're introducing this so there's no grill, no lines, very, very clean look. It can be used as a supply or as a linear diffuser across any project.